Oh yeah, he was.
Yeah. ¿Por qué votas por trompas?
Oh, bro, we
I
about
got
to say
something
the
to that. I
accountability.
shut him. That's something that shut him up, everybody.
See, can he just?
I was like, pues qué querías, una mujer de presidente? Yo no.
We shut up.
All the
Oh,
guys shut up. They couldn't say nothing after that.
Like-
But all the girls were like, ¿qué?
yeah, they was saying like what?
I was like, yeah, pues tengo hermanas, ya esto como son.
Yeah.
Por eso tomamos los hombres.
Oh damn, he calling us as drunks and shit.
Por eso tomamos por
shit, what
ustedes.
the fuck?
And they got, all the guys shut up. They didn't say shit after that.
Damn, they were like this, like, not my girl. She gonna say shit. That's what. Damn, that was dead.
They're over here.
Oh, I'm about to say. Oh yeah, man, these motherfuckers got marijuana and shit. Like that shit. Man, got hella of them. These motherfuckers they're trapping, man. Damn, what the fuck? Oh shit, okay. They doing it, What the fuck is that? It's a snake, bruh.
It's just those. Some of them died. Nah,
What, you hit this? What's up? Damn, it's crazy out here, bro. See? Let's make a spooky video.
spooky video.
Like this, bro. Chilling. Feel me? Let me bring up the camera. Oh shit, the fuck is that over there? Feel me, man? Crazy. What's up? I could bring mine over here too?
Huh?
I got 2 of them.
To what?
Plants like
Oh,
this.
if you want, yeah.
Yeah. Man, hell yeah, man. Shit. Hell yeah, I'll bring them. Like here, bro. For you. Damn. It's crazy over here, bro. What the fuck is that? They got going on over there, man.
What the hell was that? That was you or not?
Hell nah.
No, it was you.
It was like Bigfoot, bruh. With the whole tree and shit.
I think it was the neighbors.
Hell nah. Better get the fuck out of here, bro.
Why?
I don't know, nigga.
Yeah, that was you. There was 3 cans there.
Nah, brother. I think you high.
Yeah,
I think you contact high. Oh shit. Damn.
What happened? Just the hole?
I fucking sink. That shit look like a sinkhole right there.
How do you know?
Cause man, I fucking sink. Dude. You're heavier than me, so you can probably go through it. Right there. Hit that shit. Bah! You fucking fall? Yeah, man. Put your whole weight in there, nigga. Jump on it. Entertainment purposes only. Feel me? Let's get it. It's CGI right here.